In this video, I'll show you how to create and set up your own AI avatar using Google Gemini. If you've ever wanted to make AI-generated videos that look and sound like you without constantly recording yourself, this feature can save you a lot of time. So let's get started. First, open the Google Gemini website in your preferred web browser. If you haven't already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once you're on the main chat screen, take a moment to make sure you're using the latest version of Gemini, as new features are often rolled out through app updates. Now, click the plus symbol icon next to the message box. From the available options, select More Uploads, and then choose Avatar. This option allows you to begin creating a personalized AI version of yourself. You'll be taken to the Avatar Setup page. Click Get Started or Try Now to continue. Before moving on, make sure your device has a stable internet connection since the avatar creation process uploads several recordings for processing. There's another way to access this feature if you don't see it in the upload menu. Simply click the settings or gear icon and look for the avatar option in the settings menu. Selecting it will open the same avatar creation page. Click Try Now to begin the setup process. A QR code will now appear on your computer screen. Grab your smartphone or tablet and scan the QR code using your camera or QR scanner. This securely connects your mobile device to the avatar creation process. After scanning the code, follow the instructions displayed on your phone. You'll be asked to record different facial expressions from multiple angles so Gemini can accurately capture your appearance. Try to perform each expression naturally and make sure you're in a well-lit environment. Good lighting and a clear camera view will help create a more realistic avatar. And that's it. Creating your own AI avatar with Google Gemini is quick, straightforward, and can significantly speed up your content creation workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.